Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse. Okay, so what I've grabbed is the very best of the Everly Brothers record, and I've put the tape on this side. It's side one. Why? Because it's got Bye Bye Love and Wake Up Little Susie, walk right back to me, my darling. I mean, it is the very best. So we won't. Hopelessly. Oh no, sorry. I'm singing. That's terrible. Let's just put this down on some tins to keep it up off the ground. And I do like what's happened in here, but I know that this is going to dry very dark. So I'm just gonna scrape that off. Sorry about the scrapey noise. Sorry. That's a lot of paint in there. But we've still got quite a lot of paint in there as well. Not sure how much. There's not a lot of white in there, so I'm actually going to just squirt a little bit more white in there to create something. Let's see what we get. Okay, just gonna torch that before I spread it. There's a whole heap of white dots come up there, but we've got a heap of cells coming through too, and a lovely little spiral. So let me zoom you in. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Well, I think it is. So I'm just gonna start stretching it. So it's going to be interesting to see what that white does when it comes to having mixed with paint not by its original maker. Again, I'm really liking it. Look at this. That's so pretty. I like a lot. So we've got silicon in the burgundy, which kind of looks red here, and we've got the Mart white, which has pre-mixed into it when you buy it, some form of cell creating stuff. Now I'm really liking it, but there's a couple of white dots here that I'm not liking. So I'm just going to grab a toothpick. And if you're getting toothpicks, get one of these little containers that has a hole in the top that you can just shake one out. And it makes it really easy. Just going to dip it in a little bit of purple. And just see if I can dull down or hide or reshape those dots, because I don't like them. They were far too harsh. And there's a couple more that I'm just gonna make into lines, just following along with the rest of the lines. So you're getting a 2-for-1 deal, and this is partly my apology for having been away for so long. I had planned to have a live stream on Monday. Today's Tuesday, and the Marilyn Bradford was here from America teaching a Right Recovery for You class, which I attended, and I hosted her, and she asked me to drive her to the airport, and so that is what I did, and that's where I was and why I didn't show up. My apologies. And then I got home and realized I didn't have any, crikey me, a whole lot more white dots. I'm not excited about that. I was not well prepared. So super massive apologies. And now I've just made myself a whole lot more white dots that I'm not excited about. But I have also found myself a bit in my paint. Now these bits in your paint, if you can find them before they dry and get them out, it's a great thing. Let's see if that dried. Come on. Hello, focus on my finger. There it is. If that dried in the paint, it would create a big lump. You know what? I'm actually going to leave them. They look like little stars in an ethereal Milky Way-ish. Well, not a Milky Way, but let's zoom out so you can see the whole piece. I really like it. I hope it dries that way. So, I'm not sure if I will split this into 2 videos or keep it as one. I'll probably keep it as one. But you guys get to see all of it dry very soon. In fact, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1, and it dried. Yay! How does it get better than that? Always love it when things dry. Now, the interesting thing is with this one is it's got lots and lots and lots of ridges. Can we capture that? Look at the texture that's been left in the paint. It's not a smooth finish. You can see all those ridges in there. But that's okay. I like it. I like it a lot. Quite a few little white air bubbles. There's tiny little pinpricks, which I would rather didn't exist. But hey, you know, we'll survive. And but other than that, I really like it. It's a bit like the vase. I really like that too. It's awesome. It's awesome. I think it's one of my recent favorites. So that's pretty exciting. I really like what's happened where the white is, what that Mart pre-mixed paint has done with the white. It's actually quite a translucent white. Check this out. And it's just funky. Funky monkey. I like it. So, now at the end of the after I posted the vase video, quite a few of you suggested putting a candle in it. So, I have done that. Let me bring that over to show you. So we've got the candle in there, and it does kind of give a bit of a glow through. It's quite funky. I quite like it. If it was in orange and black, it would be very Halloween-y. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Oops. I'm getting a lot of black soot from doing that. But definitely getting some glowing through there. And I like that. I like that a lot. So, blow that out. Hopefully we won't be smoked out on camera. So those two have come out really well. I really like them both. And how's it getting any better than that? What else is possible? What else can I create? What magic can I be and create today? Alright guys, I adore you. Super grateful for you tuning in. And I'm going to go off and paint some more so I can show you some more possibilities. Alright guys, thanks again for joining me. And if you want to join me on my live streams, make sure you either sign up on my email list so you get the 24 hours notice, and or you can join me on my Patreon, and you can actually be live talking to me during the live streams, not just typing to me. How much fun can we have? Link for that is in the description. And how much fun can you have today? I adore you. Have fun. Bye bye.